Happy Friday, South Florida. This is meteorologist Erica Delgado. We finally made it. The weekend is upon us, and for many of us, it's a long weekend. This is a look outside of our beach cam in Hollywood. Earlier this afternoon, we saw more in the way of sunshine than we did the cloud cover. Mostly sunny skies. It was a little hazy, though, with some Saharan dust over South Florida. Otherwise, it was a quiet end to our work week. From our beachgoers out there, I know everyone wants to take advantage out there. Don't forget that sunscreen. We're expecting that UV index to be on the extreme end of the scale. The good news is, with a light southeast wind throughout the weekend, we're expecting only a slight risk of currents along Atlantic beaches. Temperatures out in the air will be in the lower 90s. For my boaters out there, big boating weekend, so please be careful out there. Keep hydrated. Remember, safety first. No advisories out over the Atlantic waters. The bay will remain a light chop, and the wind will remain out of the east-southeast, picking up a little bit each afternoon. And speaking of the afternoon, the rest of our afternoon will be mid to low 90s as far as temperatures are concerned. We'll leave an isolated threat of any shower or thunderstorm building as the atmosphere continues to warm up, but anything does warm up, I'm expected to push out towards the west and towards interior areas. So only isolated activity for later this afternoon. Otherwise, your weekend is looking very nice. Lower rain chances, especially Saturday and Sunday, where we'll leave any shower or thunderstorm activity a little more on the isolated to scattered in nature. As far as the next few days are concerned, we talked about the weekend. That's looking nice. We'll be warm, though, so keep hydrated if anyone has any outdoor plans. And as far as the start of the work week, just in time for our Independence Day, 4th of July, looking pretty good. Scattered to isolated showers and thunderstorms in the forecast. The good news is all that activity each afternoon will continue to push out towards the west. Enjoy your weekend and be safe.